What I've got here is some avocados that we've kind of hollowed out a bit and filled them with this really great, well, cooked shrimp salad of sorts, but with an Asian flair, some ginger and some garlic and some bok choy and onions and well, we've got peppers in there, and all this is going to go together. I'm going to make a tempura batter, and we're going to fry it. This over here is an Asian slaw. I've got some bok choy and some bean sprouts. And over on this side, I've got this dressing that I'm putting together. Let me start this tempura batter first. Now, tempura batter, a lot of people love tempura because it's nice and light and crunchy, but don't know how to make it at home. And here's some of the quick tips. First of all, tempura batter. That's really the big tip. You get the tempura batter and want to make it with ice water. Colder the better. Matter of fact, when you're mixing in the water, if you happen to get some ice cubes in there, that's all right. So we're going with a little bit of water, and what we're looking for is the consistency, something kind of like, well, almost like pancake batter. So with a whisk, get everything out of the center of it. Okay. And what's going to happen is we're going to actually submerge these into the batter and then put them into the oil, and I've got the oil right around the 350, 360 mark. Okay, there we go. And I'm just looking at it, getting the chunks out of it, not mixing it too much. All right, and take a look at that. That's just what we're looking for. Okay, now here comes the big trick. You got hot oil. You're gonna do tempura. Now in the restaurant at Tex Wasabi's, we dip the shrimp in, we're holding the tail, and we let them go in, and they kind of move away. This, we've got this big item here, so let me put this down to the side. And watch out, because the heat can change the temperature on that. And what we're gonna have to do is figure out a way to get it into the oil. So I've got this trick. So grab this mixture, be careful with it, because they're sliding all around on the plate. Set it into the tempura mixture, okay? Put some on top of it. There we go. And I've tried this all different ways. I tried it with tongs, but it kept sticking to the tongs. Okay, now get this out. Get some of the extra batter off there if we can. And then just kind of like they used to launch a ship in the Navy, okay? Stand there, crack the champagne, and here it goes. Just like that. Was that quick and easy? Let me just wipe this off. Get some of the hot oil off of there. And we're going to put the next one in. Get some on top of it. There we go. Make sure that we coat the entire avocado and shrimp salad. Now, if you didn't want to do it this way, you could actually go and just put some panko breadcrumbs on these, and they would be ready to go also. Here goes another one down. And try to keep them away from each other if you can a little bit, so they don't stick, because that tempura batter just wants to stick next to the one that has tempura batter on it. Kind of gets glued. Okay, and I'm wiping it off each time as I do it. There we go, and then we'll put the third one down. Submerging it, using kind of a deep but thin bowl works great for this. Okay, there's still ice cubes down in my tempura batter right now, so I know it's super cold. And then here goes the next one. Boom. Okay, so only about 3 and something about this size. So I'm gonna let those cook. Now let's talk about this. Well, I had some ginger, some garlic. I deglazed it with some midden, some Japanese cooking wine, kind of a sweet wine. All right, now I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of sesame oil. Don't wanna put the sesame oil when it's cooking. I wanna put it when it's nice and cool. A little sesame oil, a little rice wine vinegar, and a little bit of olive oil. And this is all for the slaw. Okay, so we put that mixture in, give that a quick whisk. Oh, look at that. You could catch all that ginger coming out right off the bat. Nice cool slaw, nice and crunchy. Gonna go along with this really hot avocado that's been tempura with the shrimp salad. It's gonna be a winner. Okay, so that goes in. Give that a quick toss and let this set up here for a bit. All right, take a look at those. I'm telling you, that is a tempura avocado with a Asian shrimp salad in the middle of it. And we've got bok choy and red bell peppers and garlic and ginger all done together. And then this over here, well, this is the Asian slaw, and it's got bean sprouts and carrots and a nice dressing made with some ginger, some garlic, some brown sugar, a little sesame oil. And actually, I have to pop some of the garnish onto this, some fried wontons. And you can't have it without a little crunchy peanuts. All right, and then this over here, well, let's put these up. Oh, look at those. Like I said, if you don't like them fried, putting a little panko breadcrumbs on there or a little tempura bits will work out just great. But me, once in a while, you gotta have the indulgence to just jump right in. But look at them, they're beautiful. This would definitely surprise somebody that you're gonna fry up some avocados. Now, a little sweet chili sauce, just a little bit on each one of them. That's a nice little tangy sweet flavor. And hit it with some black sesame seeds for a little contrast in color. All right. That is outstanding. First, I got to get into a bite of this avocado before it cools down. Shrimp, done up, sauteed. The avocado is nice and smooth and velvety. Oh, it really opens up a lot of the flavor. And then on the slaw, crunchy vegetables. And you know what I pick up right at the end? Is I pick up that sesame oil because I didn't put it in too soon. Put it right at the end and mix it together. Well, this is Guy's Big Bite. That's one killer martini.